Ramayan First Glimpse Review. Ranbir Kapoor's Shri Ram faces off against Yash Ravana in a visual masterpiece. The long-anticipated unveiling of Ramayan Part 1 is finally here, and it's nothing short of spectacular. Director Nitesh Tiwari offers the first official look at his ambitious mythological epic, and it's already creating ripples across the country with exclusive screenings in multiple cities. Headlined by Ranbir Kapoor as Shri Ram, Sai Pallavi as Sita, and Yash as the formidable Ravana, the introduction video delivers just enough to tease, yet leaves audiences craving more. The nearly 3-minute footage opens on a divine note, with powerful visuals of Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva. It establishes the grand conflict at the story's heart, describing the showdown between Ram and Ravana as the war to end all wars. One of the standout moments is a scene featuring Ranbir Kapoor as Lord Ram, gracefully drawing his bow, an image that's bound to become iconic. Meanwhile, glimpses of Ravana's journey towards chaos underline the scale and intensity this film is aiming for. Rather than giving too much away, the teaser masterfully lays the groundwork for what's to come. From the brief visuals we do see, the clarity of vision is undeniable. The final frames, especially, suggest that audiences can expect awe-inspiring archery sequences and nuanced physicality. Ranbir appears to be deeply committed to embodying the duality of Shri Ram, a fierce warrior with a compassionate and thermic soul. The half-face close-up, in particular, hints at a meditative depth that's likely to resonate with viewers. The true triumph of the glimpse, however, lies in its breathtaking visuals and top-tier VFX work. It's evident that the creators knew exactly the legacy they were dealing with, and the responsibility that came with it. Bringing the Ramayan to life for today's generation is no easy task, but this teaser makes it clear that they're doing so with both scale and sincerity. Yash Ravana commands attention. Even with limited screen time, his screen presence is menacing and magnetic, setting the tone for an epic clash. The music elevates the entire experience. A stunning blend of Hans Zimmer's grandeur and A.R. Rahman's soul, the background score is a masterclass in collaboration. Each composer's signature is present, yet the compositions flow into one another seamlessly. If this first glimpse is anything to go by, Ramayan Part 1 might just redefine how mythological storytelling is done in Indian cinema.